All right, guys, guess what? It is movie night. We're gonna be throwing a movie right on that projector tonight, but I'm gonna try something that I've never tried before. I'm gonna try this little tiny mini projector tonight. Then this little tiny projector was gifted to me to tell them what I think. This little mini projector, is it really gonna throw a picture far enough for me to watch a movie? And my first thought is this looks like the Easy Bake ovens, right? The thing that it does have going for it, if anything, is you do have the buttons here. So in case the remote fails, you have buttons here, right? I've tested out some other projectors where if the remote dies, throw the whole thing away. So you do have some buttons here. And so I'm gonna tell you guys right out of the gate, I don't have the highest hope for this thing because we're gonna find out together. It's just sometimes small doesn't always mean good. However, I'm gonna let you know if I'm surprised at the quality of this mini projector. And as a full-time RVer, I do love things that have small footprints. But again, we're gonna go with the Easy Bake Oven. Now let's see how good this is. Now, a couple of things that you get inside of this, right? Because they know that this is really, really light. So they give you the remote. Batteries aren't included, but right out of the gate, it does look like the remote has volume controls, so that's good, although I'm kind of questioning the speakers on this for sure. They also give you a tripod, a little mini tripod, so that's awesome actually if you're just gonna do it indoor, put it on a countertop, whatever. And then they give you a little ball joint for if you're gonna put it on a tripod, you can actually tilt the head any direction that you want, any degree that you want. In fact, I'm probably going to throw that one on there right now, maybe. This tripod that I'm using right here is just a cell phone tripod and it does the same thing. Those accessories are good, but I don't think I'm gonna need those for what my setup is today. So let's get this hooked up right here, get it turned on, and I'm gonna give you my very, very first impressions after I get it hooked up and turned on. All right, after putting batteries in the remote, let's power her up for the very first time. Power turned on right out of the gate. That's a really good sign. Now I'm gonna kill the light over here and we're gonna go through and see, show you guys, obviously that is extremely blurry right there. We're gonna back the screen up just a little bit so we can see that. So you do have a focus knob on the right-hand side of this and it's a manual focus. So that is actually really good. Now, I don't know what the quality is, but as far as it's, not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with this quality already. Oh yeah, so you can see the quality if you have light leaking in, like if it's daytime, it immediately disappears, and then the darker it gets, the better the screen is. All right, so just what I thought. This projector is not gonna live in your home entertainment room at all. It's gonna live either for kids, because it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Wi-Fi, but what it does have is a really good clear screen in a dark room, and you can hook an external audio source up to it, and you can actually hook HDMI into it. So if you have a laptop, you have a computer, and you wanna throw it on the ceiling, look at the size of this guy right here. And that is just really, really small, right? So they kind of stripped it down and that's where it lives. It lives in a really stripped down version of a projector. So will it do movie night? Absolutely. And I just have to plug my phone in and that gives you the ports back here. And all you got to do is you can plug your phone in here with a USB to USB-C, or you can grab an HDMI cord that comes with it. And then right here, your audio, your aux cable can run all the way to a speaker, and then you have your remote control right here. So there are certainly other projectors that is in a class of home entertainment. This isn't one, right? And I'm just gonna tell you that right now. This is gonna be great for kids. This is a portable solution that if you just wanna throw something up on your ceiling, really, really small footprint, you can put this in a travel or a carry-on or anything like that if you wanted to travel with it, if you didn't have a TV, which would be awesome if you're camping. Where this lives, the best place, the best footprint is for this guy right here is camping. You got no internet, you got no Wi-Fi, you don't have any of the electronics, it's not gonna take up much juice, and you can throw it on a tent wall, you can watch it, you just get a sheet or whatever, and you can watch it, you just plug it into your phone and you're good to go, right? So you can still bring, in an area where you don't have service at all, this is where it's gonna live, right? It's not gonna be your big party system, it's gonna be small, private, and intimate. So if that's what you're looking for, my biggest con is probably the lack of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. But you give and take for a budget, easy bake projector, I would say that if that's your use case, then that might work for you.